National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Edwards County in southeastern Illinois until 6:30 p.m. At 6:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Grayville, or near Albion, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Grayville. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Edwards, Illinois,